Assalamu alaikum, dear students and viewers. How are you? I hope all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also well. Today, I will conduct a class, in fact, a very important class for the students of class 9 and 10. And I hope all of you will be very benefited by this class. This is Momen Rana speaking, Assistant Teacher English, Araishidha, Kamil Madrasa, Ashuganj, Brahmanbaria. Viewers, just look at these pictures. What do you see in the pictures? Can you guess? One person in the two pictures. Okay, from the picture we can say that this is the pictures about Johir Raihan. Who is Johir Raihan? Do you know? Johir Raihan is a famous and talented filmmakers in the country Bangladesh. He had the dream of freedom. In fact, he dreamt for a democratic country, a society where ensures freedom of speech, freedom of right. He dreamt for the freedom of a speech, freedom of a country. All through his life, he dreamt for a democratic country, a democratic society, where each and every person will be openly talk about anything. So, what is the topic today? I think it's all of us very clearly know that our today's topic is They Had Dreams 2, Unit 10, Lesson 4. That is the passage all about Johir Raihan, the most talented filmmakers of Bangladesh. Not only he is a famous, talented filmmaker in our country, but also for all of your kind information, he is a freedom fighter. He took almost all the important and historic incidents, meetings in the history of country. And here is the learning outcomes. After studies this lesson, students, you will be able to answer questions, read and understand text through silent reading, vocabulary learning, and will be able to write a short paragraph. Let's have a look at. Here is the picture of Johir Raihan, and if we go to the text, or if we go to the lifestyle or life of Johir Raihan, we will know that Johir Raihan born 19 August in the village Mojupur under Feni district, and he breathed his last in 1971, 30 December. Where is the some important writings of Johir Raihan? For what he is famous? He remains famous throughout the country. Hajar Bochor Dore, Arek Falgun, Borof Gola Nodi. All these are important writings of Johir Raihan. Not only important, but also these are very much famous. Hajar Bochor Dore is very famous book of Johir Raihan. Borof Gola Nodi, another novel, very important, and eminent novel of Zohir Raihan. He made a legendary film, Jibon Theke Neya, based on the language movement, 1952. Through his legendary film, he showed Pakistani autocrats in our liberation war, because he was a freedom fighter. He fought for a democratic country. All through his life, he fought for a democratic society. He fought for everyone's right in society. Here is the individual work. Students, answer these questions, and for this your time is 5 minutes. Have you completed? I hope you are completed. Okay, just look at and check your answers with me. Who was Zohir Raihan? Zohir Raihan was a talented filmmaker in Bangladesh. What was the legendary works of Zohir Raihan? Zohir Raihan's legendary works are many, such as Borof Gola Nodi, Hajar Bochor Dore, and one of the most and greatest legendary work of Zohir Raihan is Hajar Bochor Dore. Now it's time for learning vocabs. Students, you know that learning vocabs is very much important for all of you. In fact, if you want to understand the text thoroughly, you have to learn vocabs at first. In fact, this is a precondition. Learning vocabs is a precondition of realizing the text or exercise. So, we will learn some vocabs now. Language movement. Language movement means political movement more than a fight to preserve a language. And for your kind information, Zohir Raihan took part in language movement actively. Another word is procession. Procession means march past, parade, gathering of people. We know that in 1952 there was a procession of the students of Dhaka University for achieving rights of language, Bangla as the state language. Another word is historical. Historical means ancient, past, old. Zohir Raihan took part on the historic Amtola meeting in 1952. Another was revolt. Revolt means mutiny or praise. Zohir Raihan's legendary film Jibon Theke Neya was a revolt against the then autocratic government of Pakistan. Yes, listeners, it's time to silent reading. Read the text carefully, and after finishing, you have to answer some exercises, and your time is 10 minutes. Listeners, have you completed learning, reading? Completed? Okay. Then make group each table and try to find out the answers about Zohir Raihan. Participated in famous as best documentary, movie based on language movement, missing since his dream. First one is participated in. We know that Johir Rehan participated in language movement, the liberation war, not only language movement but also liberation war. In fact, Johir Rehan took almost every incident or meeting or procession in favor of the democratic society, democratic country, because all through his life he dreamt for this democratic government, democratic society, freedom of speech, freedom of right. Famous as Johir Rehan, we know that Johir Rehan was a famous and talented filmmaker. So Johir Rehan was famous as a talented filmmaker. His best documentary, Genocide, which was famous throughout the country, beyond country, and this documentary helped to become our country independent. Movie based on language movement, জীবন থেকে নেয়া, and missing since December 1971, and he never come back again. So, dear listeners, check your answers and correct your answers. Let's check another picture. His legendary film জীবন থেকে নেয়া showed Pakistani autocracies very well. In fact, by his legendary film জীবন থেকে নেয়া, Johir Rehan showed the Pakistani army's bad activities throughout the world. Another two pictures. First one is the meeting of historical Amtola. Johir Rehan was present in the meeting of Amtola on 21st February 1952. It was a historical meeting which helped to become our language rights. Another is picture of prison. It's a matter of great sorrow that all through his life he was taken to prison many times because of his active activities in language movement. He was taken to prison because of his active activities in language movement. Now it's time for evaluation. Students, try to complete the following sentences. Johir Rehan is famous as a filmmaker. Johir Rehan was imprisoned because of his active activities on the liberation war, language movement. He participated in historic Amtola meeting. He participated in language movement and in the liberation war. জীবন থেকে নেয়া symbolizes Pakistani autocrats' bad activities. So, it's time for project work. Dear listeners, work in groups. Every 10 members, make groups with every 10 members, 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 31 to 40 and 41 to 50. Meet a freedom fighter in your locality. Interview him or her, then write a paragraph on him or her. Before doing your project work, I want to say some clue for all of you that there is a similarity among all the freedom fighters. All the freedom fighters in our country fought for a democratic country, a liberation war. They sacrificed their lives for our mother language, Bangla, for achieving a full free nation, full free flag, So there are various similarities. There are many similarities among all the freedom fighters. So if you read the text thoroughly, if you understand the text of Zohir Rayhan, it will be easier for you, it will be easier for all of you in this project work. You will be able to do easily meet your a freedom fighter in your locality, and before that, if you read the text thoroughly, it will be easier for all of you to do the project work perfectly. So before starting your project work, I would like to request all of you that at first read the text thoroughly with vocabs perfectly understanding, and then start to do your project works. Only then you will be able to do your project work perfectly. Till then, Allah Hafiz. All of you, I hope all of your healthy life. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.